Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Bandlab and loading the track you want to shape. Select the track, open the FX rack, and insert the EQ plugin immediately. This puts you into the signal path now. Once done, lower the preview by about -6 dB so you avoid clipping, and solo the track to hear changes clearly. Make sure to set monitoring for headphones. It helps reveal small balance issues. We'll jump straight into bands next, so keep that soloed and ready. Now you dial the bands. Assign a low cut around 20 to 80 Hz to remove rumble, add a low mid cut if muddy, and place a presence boost between 2 and 5 kHz to bring clarity. Sweep narrow Q filters to find offending resonances, then reduce them. Use wider Q boosts for musical tone changes. Adjust gain in small increments, typically 0, 5 dB, and toggle bypass to a /B the result. That method shows you what each change actually does, so make measured moves. Finish by comparing your track to a reference and level matching playback. Small EQ tweaks should nudge your sound toward that target. Once satisfied, automate EQ for dynamic sections and save a preset so you don't lose the setup. If something sounds wrong, reset the EQ to neutral, check phase relationships between tracks, and listen at lower and higher volumes. This often reveals hidden problems. If that fails, bypass the whole FX rack to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.